have about 6,500 deaths a year that are reportable deaths that are reported to the coroner.
Well, we're very lucky in Victoria. We have a Coroners Act which has a process called a preliminary examination, and that means that when a person arrives at our centre, we can carry out a whole range of things, and we use the information from those tests to take them to the coroner so that we can have an informed discussion about what next needs to be done.
So that really, I think, also summarises the incredible strength of the coronial process that we have in Victoria and Australia, because you're getting the best of two strong disciplines. The big difference is that, of course, coroners are judicial officers, so we all have a legal background and training, whereas the forensic pathologists at the Victorian Institute of Forensic Medicine are all scientists with medical training.
Absolutely fascinating. Incredible. Let's go to the audience over there.
By what system do you decide, or do you triage who goes first?
Each day we look at everyone that's been reported over that last 24 hours. It's not a matter of who goes first, it's actually a matter of what information that we have that is available so that the pathologist and the coroner can make a decision on what's the next step. But it's really important for us that any person that's admitted to us is treated equally.
And so identification is one of the primary roles of the state coroner, and we need to try and do that as quickly as well, which is part of the information gathering process and whether any scientific tests are needed.
Well, generally speaking, the whole investigation is a very kind of multi-person investigation. But if you just talk about the autopsy in itself, then there's the special tests that happen afterwards through our tox department, our histology department, and microbiology. So there's actually a lot of input into one case. So there are many people involved.
And it's collaborative.
Absolutely.
There's a lot of people working together.
Absolutely.
I feel like we're in really, really good hands. Ladies and gentlemen, would you please thank Caitlin, David, Richard, Linda, Jodie and Hayley.